In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check account activity on Yahoo Mail. Keeping an eye on your account's recent activity is one of the simplest ways to stay secure. And I'll walk you through exactly what to look for and what to do if something seems off. First, open your browser and head to login. Yahoo.com, sign into your account as you normally would. It's best to do this from a trusted device and a secure network, so you can be confident the information you are seeing reflects your own activity. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Security tab or section of your account. Depending on your layout, you may find this by opening your account or profile menu and selecting Account Info. Then Security. Take a moment to let the page load fully, because this is where Yahoo compiles your key sign-in details. Look for the Recent Activity area. Here, you'll see a list of logins with the date, time, IP address, and an estimated location. Remember, locations are approximate and can vary if you use a VPN, a mobile data network, or if your internet provider routes traffic through a nearby city. Review the timestamps and make sure they line up with when you actually accessed your email. If something doesn't look right, like a time you were asleep or a place you haven't been, make a mental note of it. Next, check the section labeled Current Sign-ins. This shows devices that are currently signed into your account, along with the browser or app used. You might see entries for your phone's mail app, your desktop browser, or a tablet. Go slowly and confirm you recognize each device. If a device name looks unfamiliar, think about whether it could be an older phone, a work computer, or a secondary browser you used before. If you find a device you don't recognize, click the three dots or the Sign Out button next to that device. This immediately removes its access, which means it will need your password to get back in. It's a quick way to cut off anything suspicious. If any activity still seems questionable, change your password right away. Pick a strong, unique passphrase that you haven't used elsewhere, and avoid reusing old passwords. After updating it, return to the Security section and double-check that no unfamiliar devices remain signed in. That's it. You've reviewed your recent logins, checked current sign-ins, removed anything you don't recognize, and secured your account if needed. Thanks for watching.